Hello fellow travelers, welcome to an adventure like no other. Today we're heading off the beaten path, venturing into the heart of Balochistan. Our destination is Zhob, a hidden gem in Balochistan, Pakistan. This is a place where the past and present coexist in harmony. Zhob is more than just a dot on a map, it's a story waiting to be told. It's a land of stunning natural beauty and rich history where every sunset tells a tale. Located in northeastern Balochistan near the Afghanistan border, Zhob is a place of strategic importance. Zhob has been a cultural crossroads for centuries, a melting pot of traditions and histories. This makes it a fascinating place to explore, with layers of history and culture waiting to be uncovered. Here you'll find a unique blend of influences, from ancient architecture to modern-day practices. Geographically, it's a land of dramatic contrasts, with towering mountains and serene valleys. Historically, it has seen empires rise and fall, leaving behind ruins that whisper the stories of yesteryears. Culturally, it is home to proud Pashtun tribes with rich traditions, celebrated through vibrant festivals and ceremonies. For anyone interested in authentic experiences, Zhob offers so much. Engage with locals and immerse yourself in their way of life. It's a place where you can connect with nature, hiking through trails that offer breathtaking views, and delve into a deep, meaningful history that spans millennia. So why should Zhob be on your travel radar? Because it's a destination that promises discovery and adventure. It offers something different, a break from the usual tourist spots. It's a chance to step away from the usual tourist trails and immerse yourself in a landscape that is both ancient and alive. Here, the past and present blend seamlessly, offering a unique travel experience. Meet warm and welcoming people who are eager to share their stories and traditions. Learn about a resilient and proud culture, preserved through generations. Zhob is a journey for the soul, a place that will stay with you long after you've left. Reflect on your experiences as you watch the sun set over this magical land. Get ready to discover this incredible part of Pakistan. Pack your bags and set out on an adventure of a lifetime. Zhob truly is a gateway to wonders, waiting to be explored by those with a spirit of adventure. Let's talk about the incredible scenery around Zhob, a region that boasts a diverse and breathtaking landscape. The landscape is dominated by the Toba Range and the Suleiman Mountains, two majestic mountain ranges that define the region's topography. These mighty peaks create a dramatic backdrop for the city and its surroundings, offering a sense of grandeur and natural beauty that is hard to match. Imagine waking up to the sight of these ancient giants, their peaks bathed in the soft glow of the morning sun. It's a sight that inspires awe and reverence. The Toba Range stretches across the north of Zhob, forming a natural boundary that has shaped the region's history and culture. The Suleiman Mountains to the east are equally impressive, with their rugged terrain and towering peaks. These mountains influence the climate and way of life here, creating unique weather patterns and supporting traditional lifestyles. They are home to unique plants and animals, many of which are found nowhere else on Earth. For hikers and adventurers, these mountains offer exciting challenges and opportunities to explore uncharted territories. The Zhob River flows through the valley, originating in the Kanmetazai Hills. This river is a lifeline for the region. It provides much-needed water for agriculture and supports the local ecosystem, nurturing both crops and wildlife. Many communities have settled along its banks for centuries, relying on its waters for their daily needs and agricultural activities. Zhob itself is situated at about 1,426 meters above sea level, making it one of the higher altitude cities in the region. This high altitude contributes to its unique climate and offers stunning panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. The air here feels fresh and clean, and the elevation means cooler temperatures, providing a refreshing escape from the heat of the lowlands. The high plains around Zhob are also important for grazing animals, supporting the livelihoods of local herders and contributing to the region's agricultural diversity. The climate in Zhob is quite distinct, with a semi-arid climate due to its high altitude. Summers can be hot, but the dry heat is more bearable than humid heat. Evenings and nights usually cool down pleasantly. Winters can be very cold, with temperatures dropping below freezing. Snowfall is common in the higher mountain areas, transforming the landscape into a winter wonderland. Spring and autumn are perhaps the most pleasant seasons. Spring brings new life with wildflowers blooming across the hillsides. Autumn offers moderate temperatures and soft golden light. These seasons are perfect for trekking and sightseeing. The impact of this climate on nature is profound, with plants and animals adapting to these seasonal shifts in remarkable ways. Zhob is a treasure trove of unique flora and fauna. The rugged terrain and varied climate support diverse life forms. The local vegetation includes hardy shrubs and grasses. One of the most famous animals in this region is the Suleiman Markhor, a majestic wild goat with incredible long spiral horns. Zhob is also on the migratory path for many birds, making it a birdwatcher's paradise. But Zhob's natural wonders go even further back in time. The region has significant paleontological importance, with discoveries like the Zhob dinosaur trackway. Fossils of a giant prehistoric mammal called Balochistan have also been found here. These discoveries highlight Zhob as a window into deep geological history. Zhob's history is as rugged and fascinating as its landscape. People have lived in this region for thousands of years. One important site is Pariano Gundi, a prehistoric mound near Zhob city. Excavations here have revealed pottery and other artifacts dating back to the Bronze Age. The region has long been home to Pashtun tribes with a strong sense of identity and tradition. During the 19th century, the British Empire expanded its influence into this region. Zhob became part of British India, and the British established a military post called Fort Sandaman. After the partition of India in 1947, Zhob became part of Pakistan. The history of Zhob is a complex mix of ancient settlements, tribal traditions, and colonial encounters. Exploring its historical sites and learning its stories is a rewarding experience. The cultural heritage of Zhob is predominantly Pashtun. The Pashtun people are known for their unique traditions and a strong code of conduct called Pashtunwali. Hospitality, or melmastia, is very important, with guests treated with great respect and generosity. Family and tribe are central to Pashtun society, with decisions often made collectively. Traditional councils, known as jirgas, are used to resolve disputes. Pashtun culture is rich in oral traditions, with storytelling, poetry and music being important forms of expression. Traditional Pashtun clothing is distinctive, with men often wearing a shalwar kameez and women wearing a shalwar kameez with a dupatta or shawl. Festivals and celebrations are an important part of Pashtun life, with religious festivals like Eid celebrated with great enthusiasm. The Atan is a famous Pashtun dance performed by men in a circle, often at weddings and other joyful occasions. When you visit Zhob, there are several attractions you won't want to miss. One popular spot is Salyaza, a picturesque picnic point located a short drive from Zhob city. Another interesting place to visit is Musa Kul, known for its scenic beauty. For those who love adventure, Zhob offers excellent trekking opportunities in the surrounding mountains. The local bazaar is a bustling place full of sights, sounds and smells. You can see local crafts and produce and observe daily life. Historical buildings like the Old Fort are also worth a visit. Zhob offers a blend of natural beauty and cultural immersion. Planning your trip to Zhob carefully will make it much more enjoyable. Spring and autumn are the best times to visit, with mild and pleasant weather. Zhob has a small airport, but flights might be infrequent. The most common way to reach Zhob is by road from Quetta. Safety is an important consideration when traveling to any remote region. Traveling with a local guide or a reputable tour operator is highly recommended. Be respectful of local customs and traditions. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites or rural areas. Pack wisely for your Zhob adventure, bringing layers of clothing and comfortable walking shoes. Sunscreen, a hat and sunglasses are important for protection from the sun. Carry a basic first aid kit and any personal medications you need. It's a good idea to have some cash with you, as credit card facilities may be limited outside the main town. So, as our journey through Zhob comes to a close, let's take a moment to reflect on what makes this place so special. Why should this hidden gem be on your travel list? Zhob offers a unique blend of experiences that are hard to find elsewhere. It's not your typical tourist destination, and that's precisely its charm. Here, you can wander through quiet mountain trails and find serenity in nature. It's a place for those who seek authenticity and want to connect with nature in its raw form. The untouched landscapes offer a sense of peace and tranquility. The natural beauty of Zhob is undeniable, from the towering mountain ranges to the life-giving Zhob River. The river winds its way through the mountains, creating breathtaking vistas. The historical and cultural richness of Zhob is equally compelling. Ancient ruins and historical sites tell stories of a bygone era. You can trace the echoes of ancient settlements and experience the vibrant Pashtun culture. The local markets are bustling with life and offer a glimpse into the daily lives of the people. Zhob is a destination that challenges and rewards. The rugged terrain is perfect for intrepid travelers looking for adventure. It requires a bit more effort to reach, but the rewards are immense. The journey itself is part of the adventure, taking you off the beaten path. You will see landscapes that few have witnessed and learn stories that are rarely told. The locals have a rich tradition of storytelling that adds depth to your experience. Zhob is more than just a place, it's an experience, an adventure and a journey into the heart of a lesser-known part of Pakistan. Every step you take here is a step into a world filled with wonder and discovery. So pack your bags, open your mind and get ready to discover Zhob. Prepare yourself for an adventure that will leave you with memories to last a lifetime. This hidden gem truly awaits you. Don't miss the chance to explore a place that offers so much yet remains so untouched.